We are at the former Renaissance Hotel. Now it's the Hotel Cleveland. And we got some Haughton elevators that are modernized by Schindler. Let me tidy up the lens a little. There we go, that should be better. On the outside, they got inch line. Got this one. Look at this awesome old lantern. Actually, let me show the lobby panel quickly. Look at that. Very cool. Hold on. These cabs got redone when it got changed to the Hotel Cleveland.
I'm pretty sure that's the shaft for the service car behind this. You can see the cables for it. That might just be for the counterweight.
My depth perception's a little screwy since I'm not wearing my glasses. And look, it's got a Schindler door track. This cab, I don't know why it just reopened. Up to 14. These are all locked. What? The other car I rode wasn't locked. WTF. Let's get a different car. Do these have the pretty indicators? No, but they still have the original ones. Yeah, this is the upstairs part. Forest City, maybe that's the nickname for Cleveland. All right, let's see here. Come on now, we unlocked. Yeah, there we go. Why do they do that? Oh, this one is still, no, this one doesn't have the. So these panels used to be a little different. These used to be chrome, now they're like brushed. What's the speed? 6. That voice has seen better days. Why do the doors do that? All right, one down to lower lobby. So these panels, they replaced the floor buttons used to look like that. They were Epco, but now they're just regular Circleline as well. So they did a little bit of an update, but not a very heavy one at all. Just more of an aesthetic one than anything. All right, we're gonna go to 14 again for, why does it keep, that is so weird. Alright, we're gonna end on 11. I'm gonna have to get that voice. Why does it do that? That's so weird. That's where the old indicator was. Cab view. I like these new cabs. I think they're very pretty. These are nice cabs. The voice is so muffled. Now watch, the doors are gonna like stop in the middle of, it just does that and I don't know why. And there's some key switches. I don't know what these are for, maybe not hoistway access because we're in a middle floor. I don't know. Anyway, that'll be it.